Hello everyone, welcome back to Tip of the Month. Today we will see how to create a dilution report for a long hole mining method. So in here I have my drift, the ore body, and the cavity mesh, which is right here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have sections cut where the blasting occurred. So let's go to Plan View using the Essentials category. In Section, return to Plan. And in here, I cut two sections where the blasting occurred. So using the Select Section command, we're going to select Section 1, hit OK. And on this section here, we have a few contours. So first, I have my planned contour of the blast. I have my ore outline, which is represented in red here, and the cavity outline, which we don't really see very clearly. So let's increase our thickness here. So using a thickness of 0.3. Okay, that's a little bit better. So here we have the cavity contour, which represents the actual blasting. And of course, our drift outline. So using these contours, we're going to use the dilution module, which is found in Engineering 2, right here. And we're going to use the command select contour. Now for each one of these parameters, we're going to assign the appropriate contour. So for the planned, we're going to apply to this one here. And then ore, which is this red outline here. And then we don't have any backfill, so this is optional here. Void, which represents the drift outline, and the actual contour, which is the cavity contour right here. So this represents the actual contour of the blast. And hit OK. Next, we're going to use the process section command. So process all polylines on section, we're going to hit yes. Now, essentially, the program will hatch all of these areas right here according to which region the polylines are corresponding to. And if you're not sure which area corresponds to what material type, we can use this command here, area type, and select a hatch. And the material type will be displayed in the window here. So this one here is ore mined. Hit OK. And now let's insert our report using the compute section command, which is found in the dilution module. Now we're going to assign a burden. So in this case, let's say it's 7.5. Make sure that the use all sections option is checked. And the report type for now, we're going to select the ore plus waste plus backfill summary. And hit OK. Now the program will compute this section and insert the results in two tables here. So first we have the dilution report, which displays the tonnage of each material type. So as you can see here, we have the mined ore, which has this much tonnage, and the total corresponds to all the computed sections. And because we only have one section right now, the total is equal to that section. And if we go down here, we have the summary report. So for example, we have the unplanned ore, waste, and backfill, which has this much tonnage and corresponds to this percentage. And let's go to section 2 and perform that same operation. And in here, as you can see, the total corresponds to the sum of section 1 and section 2. And of course, down there you have the dilution summary report for this section. And this is how you create a dilution report in Promine. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below or email us at info@promine.com. Thank you for watching.